Hey guys, today's video I'm going to share with you how to add a YouTube subscribe button into your channel. It's pretty simple to do. So here you're looking at the DuC channel, of course, and we're going to go over it. First thing you do is go to your right, select your logo, and then you go to YouTube Studio, pull that up, and that's going to take you to your dashboard. So now you go to your left, hit select customization, and scroll all the way down, and here in the video watermark, as you can see, I already have a subscribe button added there, but you can change it. So once you see that, you can add your logo, you can add whatever you want, but because once people watch your channel, they can click on it and it would take them to subscribe. So here you select change, okay. And once you select change, well, first let's jump back here. I'm kind of jumping ahead here, guys. So first you got to look up a subscribe button. So you just go into Google, hit YouTube subscribe button, and you get plenty in here. You can select the square one's the one that probably will fit that upload the most. So for example, this one here, you can select right and save image as, and then it saves download one. So let's go back to channel customization, and then let's change it. And once you go to download, you see it, I have two of them saved. So let's click on one, and then you get to crop them how you like it. So let's hit done here. If you like it, like you like that one, just hit publish. But first thing you want to do, another thing you want to do is you want a custom start time, right? Here I got 30 seconds. So once it plays your video, in first 30 seconds, you won't see the subscribe button. But after 30 seconds, it will show up for your viewers. So here, I'm gonna put 30 seconds, but you can change that how many seconds you want. And you hit publish. And that's all to it. It's real simple, easy. And let's go back here to the channel. And let's click on one of the video, guys, and see if it shows up. So we can click on this one here. And after 30 seconds, let's put 20. And there you go. You see on the right, it popped up. See, real easy, real simple, and it makes it look professional. And once people hover around over it, you can see it show subscribe. Okay, that's all to it, guys. I figured I'd share with you a quick video. Until next time.